DJM TV.
Wike, how far? Nobody say you be a Capone. Say you be dragon, you be Hitler. When you talk, they raise your voice like say you be lion. You don't see as they be. People where you kill their children, where you kill their brothers and sisters, they don't come after you begin run. I be think saying after where you the kill so, where you are Nigerian military kill. Now people picking that way you kill. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be four, no be five. More than you know how many people where you slaughter in Obibo. Eh? Wike, you know the other day I told you say you be fool. Some of una new generation politicians know they learn. Now, nobody know whether or not the people where you kill their children, they chase you. Whether Fulani don't take that opportunity, one chase you away from that city. Because for a long time, you have been fighting with them. And you believe, say, the only way where you go take reconcile with them, not to kill your own flesh. For you to please them. So then they go see you as a correct mumu. You don't kill them, finish now. Nobody know who they chase you. Even you, they're confused. You don't know who they chase you. You see, Dele Momodu, they interview the other day. Say, you know people, I know people. Now, gang, small thing that happen, knock out when they throw inside your company, you run enter Ebonyi State. With that place where you there, na ya papa land be that, where you there so. No people land the wrong go. Why you no go Kaduna? Or why you no go and run enter another place? No people land the wrong go. Mugu. You say you know Igbo. You can never be Igbo. People, stupid people like you can never be Igbo. Nothing will ever make you be Igbo. Even you and your children, none. All of them are Fulani than be. None of them go be Igbo. You know what it takes to be Igbo? It's a very precious name. Nonsense. Ordinary knockout, now where you the run. It's tear raised to Ebonyi State. Ordinary knockout, where just land for your roof. Now where you run. You never see something, no? This is the genesis. Fulani will kill you. They go use this opportunity to kill you. So then they go talk say, now your brothers where you kill their children, now then fight you. Now then kill you. You know, get sense. Now they do politics. If una want to do that mumu way una they do, make una do that una politics. That you hear that nonsense thing way una they do. All the money way una they grab for there. Did anybody ask you for the money? All of una with the politics. Una they grab the money, they eat as una like. Una no they do any work. Look at everywhere. Road don't spoil. Nothing where una they do. But that life where God give us, make person take rest. Una say una still want to take that life. Na lie yo. Na lie. Everything where they Nigeria now, all you money, all of them, they share them with the Fulani people. Then they share them, they enjoy, they buy car, they buy mansion everywhere. Nobody asks on a question. But as we just they manage our life small, una say we no go rest. Una no go rest too. What we bu wakala for ibu atu. I know. No, una no go rest. Wike, you dey very lucky. That person went through that rocket, I did a knockout to put for there. If not me, I go carry that rocket to come meet you for there, grab you for waste. Me and you go die. Me and you and that your military go die for there. You hear people? When I want people Nigeria one with the blood of your fellow human being. Don't you know how to keep a country one? Or don't you know how to make a country progress? All of you know. But because of wickedness with they on a mind, the evil with they on a mind. All of una, I go hear them. Make una, not be smart when I don't carry army, come, carry police, come, we shoot to go, and this and that when it end. Una not go kill everybody, finish. At the same time. Una not go fit. All of us for that country, if una not divide that country they go divide everybody. Useless people.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM